Friends, my name is Naresh Kumar, and today let me tell you about the very important thing that is a framework. Today, I have made a framework, and it's very simple, and everybody can understand it. Anybody can implement in their life. Once you see, you'll be excited to know about it. Now, what is there to excite you? See, everybody admires somebody, and why you admire somebody? Maybe you admire anybody. You can admire like the president, the prime minister, maybe Mr. Modi. You can Mr. Prime Minister, Mr. Modi, sir. You can admire him. You can admire Rajnath Kovindji, or anybody you can admire. Or you can admire our past history leader, like you can admire Mahatma Gandhi, Martin Luther King, Barack Obama, Donald Trump, anyone. Now, why do you admire them? Have you ever thought about it? Because they are having such a kind an X factor. Let me tell you, it's not an X factor actually. They have a very different combination of personality. It's a great personality we see. We term them great personality. Now, what is this great personality, and why it is only with them? They have they have not like God gifted. It is they have built a lot of hard work and everything. They had one thing, that is the guts, and rest all things they have acquired from the environment. They have learned everything from the environment. If you have the guts, you can also be among them. You can also be a great personality. Now, what you need to do to become a great personality? In order to become a great personality, you need to have all the ingredients which is there in a great personality. Say, for example, the Barack Obama or Martin Luther King or Elon Musk or anybody. You need to have all the ingredients which is there in them. What are those? A lot of things are there. I have categorized it into the 5 steps, in the 5 points, and these 5 points I have made it into framework. And this framework, when you come to know, you'll think that half of the thing you can do it by yourself only, but the rest half is very difficult. First part is the mindset. Mindset is the only difference which creates among the you and the other great personality. First thing is the mindset. A lot of things are there, but mindset is the one thing which is holding you back. You can also become like them, but your mindset is not allowing to you. If you want to break this barrier, then you can also become the great personality. So first thing is that you need to intensify your personality. Intensify it. Now, how to do it? First, break the mindset. The old mindset which is pulling you back, which is a kind of invisible chain pulling you towards, it's tied to your leg and then pulling you, and you are not able to see because it's invisible. You need to break that. Once you're able to overcome that challenge, the mindset challenge, you are set on the path to become the great personality. This has worked in my life, and I'm set to become a great personality. I'm working on it. I'm not saying I have become, I'm working on it. You can also become. It has worked in my life because I was not like how I'm today. If you see my past 10-15 years ago or 20 years ago, I was not like this, how I'm able to talk in front of camera. It was very difficult. I was very shy. I was not able to talk in front of people. My leg was shaking. Though I wanted to be on the stage, but my legs shake a lot. I'm not able to speak, and people would laugh at me like anything. But now I'm able to speak confidently. I'm able to speak out my mind, and this has happened upon consistent effort, consistent practice. It's not a one day, like result. So you can also become that way. So first is that the mindset is there. Second thing is that the people skill and the social skill. Third one is that you need to have the leadership. All the great people are having a kind of leadership. They have this leadership in them. So if you want to become like them, you need to have this leadership quality. It's you have already learned in your schools, in your academics and all, what is leadership actually. I'm not going to go into detail. So you need this leadership. Next one is your job skill actually. Now you need to have this job skill. Now what are this job skill? A lot of things comes actually, not only one thing. You are able to, it's a kind of, if I say employment skill, that also will be included in it. You cannot be divided of all these things. You must have everything. I said all the ingredient has to be there. In the job skill, you must be able to face interview, crack interview. You are able to present yourself, give your intro in 1 minute, 30 seconds. A lot of things are there. You must be able to crack any interview. You must be able to ace any interview. You must be able to write a resume. A lot of things are there. Why is it included in this one? Is not for any other people, like for the mid-career people, for the anybody who is adult more than 30 years ago. It's not for them. It's for you. You are in the age of 18 to 25, so you need this. Now you must have all these things. Fifth one is very important. It is branding. You need to have a brand. The visibility has to be there. If you don't have branding, what is happening? Nobody knows you actually. Nobody thinks you survive on this earth.